Hey everyone, getting Judge.me onto your Shopify store is a major move for building social proof. In 2026, the app has become even more plug and play, but there are a few key steps to ensure the widgets actually show up on your live site. Step 1. Install from the Shopify admin. We are starting with the app integration. We do this to connect Judge.me's review engine to your product and order data. From your Shopify dashboard, click Apps and search for Judge.me, then click Install. Approve the installation. This allows Judge.me to read your orders so it knows when to send out review request emails. Step 2. The onboarding wizard. Now we are moving to the localization and personalization phase. We do this to ensure your widgets and emails look native to your brand and understandable for your audience. You will be prompted to select the language for your Judge.me dashboard. This is just for you, the admin. Next, you'll choose the language your customers see. Judge.me supports multi-language widgets. If you sell in multiple countries, check the Enable Multi-Language box so the widget automatically translates based on the browser's language. The wizard will ask if you want to install widgets. Click Install Now to let the app attempt to auto-place the stars and review boxes on your theme. Once you complete the setup, Shopify will likely open your theme customizer. You must ensure the Judge.me app embed is toggled to On. Without this, the widgets won't appear, even if the setup is finished. Any order you ship from this moment forward is queued. Once that 14-day window hits, the customer receives a beautifully branded email asking for a review. You will also redirected to the Judge.me dashboard, which is the perfect time to use the import tool. If you have reviews on AliExpress, Amazon, you can pull them in immediately, so your store doesn't look empty to new visitors. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.